Itsy bitsy spider.
Oh, this is Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie did this big interview with the BBC and talked about a bunch of different things, including the divorce, her views on politics. But she did the interview in Cambodia, and she also decided to show the reporter a little bit about the cuisine, including insects, spiders, scorpions, and she even cooked it up for her.
Take the fangs out.
Yeah. Have you done this before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Dinner. You want to go? Want to share a spider? Hot?
Shiloh digs it. Angelina digs it. It's got to be good, right?
Oh.
This feels like an old Mikey commercial.
No, you know what it feels like? It feels like Joe Rogan should come out right now.
But you know what? Angelina was making the point that this is local cuisine there, and you know, they learned to eat the bugs when they had to when there was a famine during the war, and
Point not well taken, Angelina.
yeah, hey, she likes it.
Okay, we're gonna take a break.
When we come
Wow,
back,
that made me ill.
what's the big deal?
We get just the idea of ripping it apart like that.
It's dead already.
Make sure to subscribe to TMZ Live to keep up to date on the latest entertainment news.
And if you want to keep watching, click on one of these videos right now.